What's up, guys? Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. We're on the Yukon, my little daily that nobody actually knows about. We are headed to Benton, Arkansas to my buddy Jared and Dalton Worley's show. They got super tough trucks. Anyways, they're from Arkansas, and I ain't never been to an Arkansas show. I've been to plenty of shows, but never an Arkansas show, so we're gonna see how this does. I don't know, because it's Arkansas, you know. But it's also Jared and Dalton, so they should have everything really good. I'm not really scared about the actual show. I'm more scared about who's going to come, I guess, because I don't really know what Arkansas scene's like. But, yeah. No cameraman today, though. I've actually never had a cameraman because I've never filmed for YouTube, so I'm also really bad at this, if y'all can't tell. I cannot do this and back up. But we are backing out my garage and heading out. But yeah, there's a little cave. We're not even 5 minutes into this drive and I already want to go home, I'm not gonna lie. My lips are dry for some reason and my skin just feels so dry, bro. But I don't know, I'm just dry today, I guess. I feel kind of ashy almost, but I'm not. Well, actually, I need a shave too, dude. Man. But, we're on the way. I'm not going to get there till 1:50 though. Ah! Well, update, we're filling up the car now. Headed there. This is already feeling like the longest drive of my life, and I haven't drove for 45 minutes. This is gonna be great, man. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I hate this drive, bro. But I feel like at the end of it, it'll be worth it for the content. I've been wanting to come out to Arkansas anyways. I've got a lot of buddies down there. I just don't know what the scene's like, cause like I know like all the big people, I guess you could say, you know. But we'll see how it goes, and I'll see y'all when we get there. Guys, we just made it through Memphis. I didn't even think about getting any cool clips of me going through there. But we're in Arkansas now. We got, I think like 2 hours left, 2-something hours left. Anyways, I'm already tired of this drive and might just go to sleep, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna go pull into the rest area and just not go.
This place about to blow.
We are now stuck in an hour and 9 minutes worth of traffic. And there is no service. Woo! Oh, man, I'm so freaking glad. So it's looking like my new ETA is like 3 o'clock instead of 2. Boys, we are 36 minutes away. Bro, nobody in Arkansas knows how to drive, bro. Alright, boys, we just made it. I'm gonna go in here and y'all are just gonna get my point of view. I'm gonna flip the camera around, so I'll be right back.
So what you look like you're slams it on the ground, go start away, miss it. Back goes. I'm going home.
Look me in the eyes. Look me in the eyes.
This is not TC, by the way.
I ordered the DJI.
What? Say I'm the biggest person, man. What are you doing? You're rude.
Dude, that's country, bro. Dude, I love this fucking lift, bro.
fifth wheel got hit.
Dude.
It don't even get ran, it got hit.
Oh, no.
Yeah, look, the door handle. It don't work.
Bro, that's cooked, bro.
But
How you do that?
That wasn't me. I drove it like 3 times.
Bro, it was
His best
definitely
friend.
you. It was definitely you.
Hey, man, it's hard as fuck.
Huh?
It's hard as fuck. What are you making? Take the YouTube?
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm beat the shit. Well, it ain't bad, but literally, that been hard as shit.
Dude, I know. I thought that was cool as fuck.
Hard.
That's
Hard. Look. Bag. Hey, where's she at?
I'll have to find it. I don't think I got it. I like that dip.
What's all the way down? Hey, he's the one that pulled that semi out whenever it was stuck in the snow. That's the same truck on wires.
Oh. Raiden, you gonna go to Lamar?
He won't respond anymore. Huh?
You gonna go to Lamar?
Go to Lamar. Is that the road?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Lamar
find me that
Avenue.
road. It's got like 9, 12 strippers that run up and down that bitch.
Dude,
Hey, if you ever need a hooker, what is it, Lamar?
Lamar Avenue,
Lamar
Bubba.
Avenue in Memphis. They got like 10, 12, rain, snow, shine. I've been up there and it all. They're working that corner. They're working.
See, he already knows. He knows. He knows.
He's funny, Dad,
He knows.
Logie. What up, man?
Huh? I really like this truck, bruh. But dude, Cognito uppers. It's a Duramax. I'm guessing a Denali Ultimate if it's a Duramax. I could be wrong though. This could be. And then dude, Jared's, bro. Oh my goodness. I love these wheels, bro. Wait, do they spin? Oh, my fault. My fault, Jared. I like those wheels. Dude, another 19 to 25. I guess that's what it would be, a 19 to 25. Not a huge fan, but it still looks good. It's got, I think it's got, no, those are stock uppers. And then, Big Dick. Big Warley. Dude, I've never actually like really heard a working set of these, so I wouldn't know if they're good or not. So let y'all know y'all's reviews on these if like any of y'all know anything about them, because they're cool. It's a cool idea. I just never see any of them working. We got this fire ass GMC fully paint match. C25s. I think these are C25s. Fully paint matched. $19 to $24, fully paint matched. This low key could be a duo. Bro's got his lowers paint matched and everything. What? But stock uppers. That's odd. I'm not one to judge though. I don't know why I keep saying stuff, guys. I know my truck's a piece of doo-doo, y'all ain't gotta remind me. Ooh, a Denali. Another set of C25s on 37 Hadas. RC uppers. The spindle set up. Denali black. Dude, I like this interior. Oh, and he's got a sunroof, dude. That's hard. I like that a lot. Dang. Bro, that's insane. I love C37s, bro. I like this color. It's paint matched. This nigga's a bitch. Nigga's a bitch. Yeah, I got you. Somebody needs to sell me this 6.0, bro. This thing is so nice. I love this color. I believe these are both L5Ps. I could be wrong though. Those look good. Somebody's like swinging, bro.
That's right. Hey. That's power, nigga. I ain't never seen some shit like that. That's smart. What? Hey, what are the? Hey, start that. Hey.
Bro, what do we got going on?
That's that shit right there. That's that shit right there.
Oh, good. That cannot be safe. Why is it pink? Pink and black. I like that color. Dude, something about this color just turns me on, man. And honestly, bro, it just turns me on. Bro. Oh, can you go ahead that way?
This is the cleanest motherfucking truck here. No.
Is it country, bro?
No, it's ghetto.
Yeah, hell yeah, man. This reminds me one time, like, that thing's hard, bro. It's huge. Like, really big.
Hey, yeah. How old are you? Hello, you 21?
No.
Fuck. My fake says.
Bro, y'all trying to get me charged?
Video. No, I ain't trying to.
Oh my gosh, in the YouTube video, huh?
Am I in the YouTube video?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna cut out.
Let's get out.
I'm gonna cut out the stuff where you can get charged. I'm gonna make sure.
Keep that shit in. There's a cop in there.
Oh shit!
Damn, Nick, get out the way. Pull that bitch in there.
Bro was trying to. Dude, look at that fucking green, bro. That looks good as fuck.
Put us in what green?
Bruh. Dude.
I got the rock lights on. The only thing I've done is rock lights. Thank you.
Land the emergency and call someone off of that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. That means we have one more top 25 before left over. Yeah. Give it. Get the Logan.
225.
That was.
it was gonna flip, bro. Nephson convention turns into Nephson takeover. Dude, this is content right here, bro. Oh my gosh. We gotta get a little closer to this, bro. Never mind, I don't want to get closer, actually. Yeah. Man. Hang on, let's see. I think he just blew his deal. Uh-oh, they're for the wreck. Uh-oh. Oh! Cops coming. Cops coming, he's running. They're running. We're going to jail! We're going to jail! Oh! Dude. Oh my gosh! Dude. I'm losing brain cells the more I like just stand here, bro. And 100 dicks. But no, alright, ask the question.
Would you rather eat a dog's ass or a dog eat your ass?
Alright, so would you rather eat a dog's ass or the dog eat your ass?
Or neither.
Huh? There was a two-part question. Why won't you answer it, bro?
What'd you answer?
I said, I told you I would.
You answer.
I would look here.
Yeah, you answer. You know the question.
Me personally, I would let the dog eat my ass, but they said they would eat the dog's ass, bro. This dude right here, look, they said, bro, he said he was gonna let the dog eat his ass. Or wait, he was gonna eat the dog's ass. My fault. That is insane, bro. Alright, boys, we are done with the truck show. I didn't catch the awards, but awards went alright. I'm gonna see what we're doing after this, and I got y'all back up to that because I hate to end the vlog just right here, but